This is my newly developed Chinese lemon chicken recipe that has been well tested. The goal is to create a method with chicken that is crispy, even doused with the sauce, and the outstanding lemon flavor lingers on your palates. There are 3 simple steps for this recipe. Step 1. Marinate the chicken. You can use either chicken breast or thigh meat for the Chinese lemon chicken. Cut the chicken breast into boneless bite size. Add half teaspoon of salt, a quarter egg whites, half teaspoon of white pepper, half teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of Shaoxing wine, 4 teaspoons of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Marinate for at least 2 hours or overnight in the refrigerator. Marinade will let the flavor of the seasoning penetrate deep into the meat. Marinade ensures every bite is tasty, even for the larger chicken chunks. Step 2. Coating the chicken for deep frying. 100 grams of corn flour. It helps to form a more crunchy crust. 100 grams of plain flour. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And half teaspoons of salt. Add the flour mix to the chicken pieces. Add more if it is insufficient to cover all the chicken. Any excess flour will fall off from the chicken. Marinate the chicken should be done in advance. However, it is best to coat the chicken with the flour mix just before deep frying. Shake off the excess flour. Deep fry in hot oil at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 minutes or when the color turns golden brown. Remove the chicken from the oil. Drain the oil on a kitchen towel and set aside. Step 3. Making the lemon sauce. The sauce has the combination of the sweetness of honey, the acidity of the juice, and the aroma from the zest. Making the sauce by following these steps. Boil the sugar, water, and cornstarch over low heat in a small pot. Remove it when the sugar is dissolved, the sauce thickens and turns translucent. Set aside until it returns to room temperature. Both lemon juice and zest should be used in the recipe. Lemon zest is the orange color part of the lemon skin. It contains the essential oil that contributes to the aromatic lemon flavor. The pith of the lemon, that's the white color part of the lemon skin, is bitter and should not be used. Zest the top layer of the peel only. Prepare some lemon juice. Lemon juice provides the acidity, that is mainly citric acid and malic acid, and it has its own acidity flavor. Add the honey, lemon juice, lemon zest to the cornstarch mixture that has cooled down to room temperature. And mix well. Place the chicken on a large piece of lettuce. Drizzle the sauce on the chicken. Garnish with roasted white sesame and capsicum. And it is ready to serve. After showing you how to prepare Chinese lemon chicken, you can download the recipe and read more details about it on my blog, tasteasianfood.com, lemon chicken. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the button below. You'll find there are many more of the similar Asian dishes out there. Thanks for joining me today. My name is KB Kwan. Till then, I'll see you again in the next video. Bye for now.